of the province. This tourist spot was
Ganyan na. Ikaw muna,
this tourist
sa gitna.
spot named Mount Samat. Mount Samat has a 9.2 meter high and 6.2 meters deep. This Bataan Mount Samat, the east wing was facing the Sisiman Beach and the west wing was facing to the Flaming Sword. That when you come to the top, you will see the beautiful places from the different parts of Bataan. Next is the Corregidor Island Flag House. Was used during World War II to see the boats coming from the shore. Malintan Tunnel. Was created by the United States Army troops for the bomb-proofing of the Japanese during the World War II. This is the Bataan World War II Museum located at Bataan Pilar. We can see here a lot of things that they use in World War II, like the cannon and some granadas and the swords that they use. This is the Pawikan Conservation Center near Sisiman Beach. This conservation center, some of Pawikan that born in the shore, they get the eggs and lay it in the incubator just to produce more Pawikan, and when it become 2 to 3 weeks, the Pawikan was ready to breed in the shore. This is the Sisiman Beach that was known as the resort near Bataan, Balangan. The beach has more types of jellyfish. We can see a box jellyfish and a stingray jellyfish. This is the St. Joseph's Cathedral, the first cathedral built in Pilar, Bataan. In 1951, the Gobernador De Leon Legazpi, who's the one who built this and designed the interior. Next is the Flaming Sword Monument. The Flaming Sword Monument was found in Bataan, the center of Bataan, which is the Balangan. These flaming swords serve as the death march of the Filipino versus the Japanese during the World War II. The Santo Niño de Guzman Church was the second and most prestigious church at Pilar, Bataan that was used during the World War II to hide the Filipino troops. And the last is the Bataan Wetland and Park. This is like a within the park, but there's no a statue of Rizal, Dr. Jose Rizal. This pentagon at the center serves as the cafe at the second floor. And Bataan, for the short information, we can found the nuclear plantation at the somewhere in Bataan, that nuclear plantation was closed because it was very dangerous to use as a alternative source of our energy. That's all.